Hi everyone, Gina Mayo from iChooseJoy.org, and I am here to do an unboxing of the latest Artza subscription box from Israel. So let's see what we get in this season's box. This one is from Galilee. So it starts out with this card, set of cards actually. Here is a postcard of an ancient Galilee boat and a recipe for hummus. Yum, I love hummus. The Mount of Beatitudes. And this is talking about some of the different things that we'll find in this quarters box. It says there are candles and a lemon lime body scrub and a ceramic bowl and olive oil, a chocolate spread, a spice blend, a Footsteps of Jesus card game. Ooh, this is gonna be so much fun. All right, and here are some of the amazing artisans. This is the lady that does the spice blend, I believe. Or is this the oil? I think this is the olive oil, yes. And this one's the body scrub. And this one, this lady does the candles. And this man made the bowl. All right, so let's see everything that's in here. Another beautiful card. Very well packed. Move that back there. And here is the hummus seasoning. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna make this today, I think. Hummus seasoning. So this looks delicious. Okay, great. And then here is the olive oil, extra hopeful olive oil. Wonderful, extra virgin olive oil. There's the ladies. And here is the lemon and lime, honey and oat gentle peeling scrub. So let me open this up to see what it looks like. Oh, that smells good. This is very nice. Put that back in a little bag there. Here are the candles. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at those colors. So these are made in the ancient city of Safed. Right there, candles. And then there's something that's wrapped up well. And this is the cocoa and nuts vegan spread. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Sesame, coconut flour, nectar, cocoa, and hazelnuts. That looks delicious. All right, this must be the bowl. Open this up. Oh, that's beautiful. Hold it carefully because I don't want to drop it. Isn't that pretty? So ceramic bowl, the outside is not glazed. That is so beautiful. And then the inside is and painted. All right, what else? Looks like there's two more things. It's like Christmas. Okay, here's the Jesus's Footsteps card game. So it looks like there's different pictures of things. I will have to, oh, it looks like I can open it without getting my scissors. Yeah, I think I can open this. There we go. So, set of cards there, and they do have different photographs. This will be really fun to do with my kids. So, explore Christ's journey in the Holy Land. Oh, I love this. So, it's actual photographs of things like mustard and the road to Emmaus, Nativity of John the Baptist. Okay, this is going to be really great. And then the last thing in the box is, let's see, mosaics, it says. So let's open this up. Oh, pretty. It has these little tiny stones. And let's see what it says to do. Oh, you can like create a picture out of them. Make your own. So design it on there. Jigsaw puzzle with natural stones from Galilee. Isn't that neat? So clever. And then there's some instructions on how to play it. So let me show you everything we got. These pretty candles. Let's see if I can put everything up here. The card game. The beautiful bowl. The mosaics, stones. The hummus seasoning. The chocolate spread. Set that right there. And the olive oil. Is that everything? Oh, and the body scrub. There we go. This is the gorgeous box from Galilee. I do think you can still order it, so be sure to head over to ichoosejoy.org/Artza Box. Bye-bye.